Okay, so we are going to call an architect who did a fabrication for our porcelain on his steps. He actually had one more piece that he was waiting for, so let's give him a call and let him know that it's ready. What's up, brother man? How are you?
What's up, Skyler? How's it going?
Good, good, good. I just wanted to call to let you know that the fabricated piece that you needed to complete the project is ready. I picked it up yesterday. It is at the office.
Ooh, I'm not gonna have time to get there this week. Is there any way you can drop it off?
Yeah, that's not a problem. I'm about an hour from the office, 20 minutes from there to get to you in Manhattan, so I have no problem. I'll drop it off for you. Don't worry about it. Just do you have somebody there that can let me in and let me just drop it off?
Absolutely, yeah. I got a couple guys there. I can call them, let you know you're coming.
Perfect, perfect. And then lastly, I just want to take some pictures and some photos of the job. Would that be okay from the homeowner and stuff? It's real quick, 15 minutes tops.
Yeah, absolutely. Just keep in mind the job is not, fully ready. It hasn't been cleaned or anything yet, and we still got to swap out that piece that the contractor broke.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I'm gonna be real quick. It doesn't matter as long as we get something, as far as it goes. And then when you guys go back to clean up the job and take professional pictures, we'll put that on the website. That's all right. I appreciate it.
Awesome. Yeah, we'll get you those pictures once they're taken.
Cool. So I'll text you once it's there and everything is safe and sound, and then we'll just take it from there.
Awesome, man. I appreciate the service on this job. You guys have been incredible.
You got it, brother. It's our pleasure. All right. I'll talk to you soon.
All right,
All
folks.
right. Bye. We are on the way. We are headed to the lower west side of Manhattan where we completed another project with our famous Pietra blue. Now, it's not just for residential. We have projects that go on in Manhattan on rooftop projects. And in this very case, we actually did that new fabrication system for our porcelain to complete this project with the steps. It's not enough to have a fantastic product. You also have to have fantastic service. So I'm actually hand delivering the last piece of the fabrication that they need to complete this project, and I'm excited to show you guys what it looks like. Stay tuned. Now, this project was pretty important to us. It wasn't one of the largest projects that we've done, but it was combined with our Pietra Blue 16 by 32 for the flat work. You have that brick pattern, but the staircase capping was what I really was interested in getting footage of. The job site unfortunately wasn't the cleanest because there was still work going on, but I really wanted to showcase to you guys what we're able to achieve with our new fabrication for these staircase capping situation. It's two sides that are bonded, and then there is a bonding in the middle to create that extra length to fully cover the step. And because we're able to fabricate this to a degree where the seams are almost invisible when it comes to that miter edge, we were even able to get a radial cut, as you see at the bottom of the steps. And it solves that second most important questions that I get from customers all the time: if we're able to get coping out of it. Now, it doesn't matter what color you want to go with. We're able to do this with all of the colors that we have stocked here in New York. So if you're interested in any porcelain, you're actually going to get coping on a miter edge exact match to the color that you guys select. Education is extremely important for us at RSR Materials, so I want to make sure everybody understands that porcelain pavers versus, let's say, going with a natural stone is going to be way better performance, and it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. In fact, most times porcelain pavers are going to be less expensive than going with natural bluestone, but you're going to avoid any staining, cracking, shedding, all of those things that natural bluestone tends to inevitably have, right? And on average, to have this fabrication done with porcelain is usually on the higher side on price, but we actually have that cost down to less than half of what you would normally pay to have that fabrication, and still having a more effective result because of the quality of our porcelain. And if you want to see an example of the significance in how porcelain pavers really hold up against staining, I have a video where I poured used car oil on natural bluestone and on our porcelain pavers to show you guys what the difference in the outcome would be ultimately. Our porcelain brand is based out of New York, and I'm really excited to work with anybody who has a project that they're interested in getting high performance out of their pavers moving forward. So if you're interested, please contact me at 917-227-7765. I'll see you guys in the next one.